Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome, new episode. Today is not going to be a how-to, but I'm going to preview and I'm going to talk about a web hosting. The company is called Cybrancee. It's a brand new UK-based company who providing Plesk-based hosting. They got great deals. They're pretty new, so you want to try them. They also got a free tier where you can actually try them before you go big. And as I said in this episode, I'm going to review it. Now, this is a sponsored, but it's not paid. I'm doing it in exchange using their service so I can do more tutorials. And I'm going to use this, their hosting, so I can make WordPress related tutorials. So let's start. As you can see here, this is the Cybrancee's WHM, I think this is, where you can actually get all your information. Let's go back to the deals. This is something amazing. I'm going to show you the prices, and I'm going to show you also the deals. So let's go. I don't know if they got it here. Here we go. We got Metropolis. We got Expansion and Freemium. This is the free. At the moment, they're running amazing deals here. As you can see, you get 30 days money back guarantee. You get a free.cybrancee.com. Just let me show you what I'm going to talk about. For example, here I got the osc.cybrancee.com. Again, you can use that too, so you can actually test it. So here we go. Their prices are pretty good. I think they only got 3 tiers: the free, and they got the 2 paid ones. Let me copy this one here. Control Shift and I. No, I think it was N. Control Shift N. Let's go here. Let's go to Control V. So here we go. We got the pricing here. I wasn't able to get from that page, but here we go. We got the freemium. We got the expansion, and we got the Metropolis. At the moment, you got $4.99 for the first month and then $9.99. But that comes with unlimited visitors, unlimited websites, web space, bandwidth, databases. Everything is unlimited. Again, guys, just come, follow the link below. I'm not even getting paid for affiliates for this. So it doesn't matter if you register or not register. Doesn't matter if you use for example, my link. I still will not get paid for it. It would be nice if you use my link so I know exactly how many leads I have thrown to Cybrancee hosting. So if you really like it and you want to do it, just use my link so I know exactly how many people, how many people went over there. And again, if you don't believe me, feel free to contact them. They will say exactly what I'm saying. I'm not getting paid for this, even on affiliates. So again, all the information that you need to get started is here. Once you registered, you are going to get into the client area where you can actually access your services. Here is your domain and invoices and tickets if you need any help. They're pretty good. At the moment I haven't used anything. I haven't done even the tickets, so I can't really tell you how long it takes. But I presume they're pretty good. I would say about an hour, perhaps a couple hours. But again, within the working hours, I presume they're pretty quick. In the weekends, perhaps you might need to wait a little bit longer. But being sure there's always someone there who's looking after the status of the server to make sure everything works perfectly well. So I'm going to go to the services here, and I'm going to show you how to get to the Plesk control panel. I'm going to click on the Metropolis here, and as you can see here, it says login to Plesk control panel. There we go. It's exactly the same thing. But let's go here. As you can see, I already started with WordPress and I installed a WordPress website to do another tutorial that will be again powered or brought to you by Cybrancee. Again, guys, it's very simple. Let's go back here. You got the websites and domain where you can actually attach your domain and subdomain. Of course, you can actually go to the Cybrancee and again, you can actually register your own domain as well. They do have domains as well. All right. So let's go back here. You can set up your emails. Here you find all the applications. Again, all the available applications. You go here, and as you can see, you go the web, and all the major apps are here: WordPress, PrestaShop, Magento, Joomla, you name it, they're all here. Right. So file management here, if you want to get access here to your files, your database, and you also get your statistics. Here you can add more users. I'm not going to show you that part of it. Here you find the accounts, and it tells you all the information about what whatever you have used. And we go the direct WordPress installation tab. So here you can actually use that one to go straight to the information. Here you can actually install it, or actually you can actually manage WordPress. And the beauty with this one, believe it or not, you can actually scan for any issues. For example, any malware, everything is done here. And another fantastic things, I believe, you can back up and restore from the same panel, and you can actually clone it. This is something fantastic. Things you can do with this, and it makes life a lot easier. Now the scanning has been done. It's not a big site, so here you can put it straight to maintenance mode. So you can do a lot of things from here. So again, guys, thanks for watching this small review over the Cybrancee. I'm going to use more and more, and I'm going to talk about a lot more about this new company. And again, don't forget, click on the link below, go and have a look, go and try their free service, and if you love it, just go and have it the whatever tiers you want. I mean, as I said, they got 2 tiers. You can actually try it, and again, 30 days money back, guys. Here you got some other add-on and discounts. Big bandwidth, big fish, 24 months, Metropolis. Wow, come on, have a look, guys. This is all the codes you need to get these discounts if you want to. I'm also gonna leave this link below. That is the Cybrancee deal page. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. The more you share, the more videos I can do. And again, thanks to all my supporters that every time they like and share my videos, they watch my tutorials. Without you, this channel would never ever exist. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time.